for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play Katy Perry, Harleys in Hawaii on the acoustic guitar. Now before you do anything, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up and comment if you have any questions you want to ask about this tutorial. Right, really simple song to play. We're going to dive straight in and learn how to play this. So we're going to be playing this song using our third and first finger. It's the easiest way to play it, and you're going to be up on the 6th fret to start with. So we've got a B minor shape, but we're only going to play 2 notes, and those 2 notes is our B minor on the 6th string, and then we're going to play first finger on fret number 4, string number 5. So let's have a look. We've got fret number 6 first of all, string number 6. That's our third finger. We're going to put our first finger, string number 5, fret number 4, and those are the 2 notes we're going to need. And we're going to pluck first the 6th string, then the 5th string, and then we're going to go back to the 6th string. Let's zoom out and have a look at that plucking pattern. So that's your first 2 notes. So let's extend that now. So it's string number 6, 5, 6, 6, 5. And then we're going to move that shape down a string. So your third finger is now going to be on fret number 6, fret number 6, string number 5. Your first finger is then going to be on string number 4, fret number 4. Those are the 2 notes. And you're going to go 5, 5, 4, 5. Slide that up 2 frets, so your third finger is now going to be on fret number 8. Let's slow that right down now. Now some of you might notice I've got a capo on the 1st fret. You don't need a capo to play this. If you have got one, stick it on the 1st fret, because if you clip by mistake one of the other strings, it won't sound as bad as if you didn't have the capo. So put the cap on the 1st fret if you've got one. If you haven't, then don't worry, because we're not actually using any other strings apart from the strings that we're plucking. So now you can vary the dynamics up by palm muting, and you're just going to put your palm just across that bridge section, and you're going to muffle those strings ever so slightly as you pluck them. And then open up that palm to let those strings ring out a bit more. Hear how the strings and the noise change as you move your palm off those strings and rest your hand on the bridge. So if you're struggling to play, make sure that you're pressing those strings nice and hard and you're not clipping any of the other strings. So you just want to make sure that you're playing the right strings and you're pressing them nice and hard with the tips of your fingers. Oh, not like that, like this. really, really simple one to play. Only 2 positions really that you need to know. Play along with the backing track, because that will give you a good reference point as to how to play the track and where the dynamics come in, where it changes, where the verses come in, where the choruses come in, that sort of thing. So play along with the track if you can. Right, I shall see you again. Bye-bye.